Hey everybody, welcome back. Sorry, I don't mean to put my hand up there. Wow. It doesn't want to zoom in on me. Yeah, so I'm not quite sure what's wrong with my camera. All of a sudden, it's acting up. But what we're going to do today is, subscription clothes company was so kind to reach out to me and ask if I would be interested in doing a review for them and filming a video about their company. The name of the company is Fashom, and I am going to open this box with you guys, and we are going to talk about the clothes. Let's see something. We're going to talk about the clothes in here, and then I'm going to try them on and take pictures, and I'll insert them in, and then we'll come back and I'll tell you what I thought of everything. All right, guys. I'm so excited about this. It's very exciting for me. I've had two companies reach out to me last month, and yeah. I think if you are interested in this, if I remember right, they're going to give me a code for you to use. I don't think I get anything from it, but there is a code. Who doesn't love a code, right? So it comes with this, hello beautiful, and a thank you. This is probably the directions on what I'm supposed to tell you. But wow. It's a little note from the stylist. Now, what is different about this company is the stylist is independent of any other company, and you can find stylists in your area. And those stylists, they will, work with you directly, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So primarily what they sent me was dresses and a pair of pants, and I think that's it says, what's next? Try everything on and in the comfort of your home. You're encouraged to try on everything your stylist has picked for you. You never know what will look great. Buy what you like and send back the rest. Complete your order. Go to the My Style tab on the app. I've already downloaded the app, and I'll put all that information below. If you purchase 3 of the items in the kit, you get 25% off your entire purchase. You use the prepaid mailer to send back the you send back what you don't want. So for each, what's interesting is for each Fashom box, Fashom, Fashom box, we contribute $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City Dogs. Wow. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but if you think about every box they send out, that's amazing. And to dogs, you guys know I love my dogs. Alright, so let's see what my stylist picked for me. Alright, so the first thing is this pink shift dress, and it looks like it's going to be super cute. It's kind of embossed with flowers. It's got pockets, and I'll insert a picture of me wearing it up there. So I love clothes. My problem is I love clothes. Wow. This is a pair of red pants. I did ask for red pants. Red pants. Who doesn't want red pants? Hello. Red is a power color for women. I will insert the information for, I can't think of her last name now. First name, I believe, is Susan. She was the chief financial officer for Facebook. She has since left. But she does this. She does a lot of motivational speaking to women and empowering women. And she talks about every woman should have a pair of red shoes because it shows power, right? Well, hell, I don't want red feet. I want red bottoms. I'm gonna be empowering. Okay, we will try that one too, and I will put a picture in here. Oh, I love this so much. This is super fun. Okay, so the next thing, it looks like another dress. And it's probably, I can just say from the color, it's not my color. I mean, it's cute. I like the style of it, but it's just not my color. I will try it on so you guys can see, though. I'm funny about my blues. Oh, there's a turquoise in here, and I love turquoise. It's another dress. I don't know how I feel about this black on here, but we're gonna try it on. It says try it on. We're gonna try it on. You can follow directions. This is a red dress, and it's like garnet is the color. This is what it looks like. We're gonna see what it looks like on. Okay, guys, I'll be back to tell you what I think about these clothes and this subscription box, and yeah. All right, everybody, be back in 1 second. Okay, we're gonna try this again. My darn thing keeps shutting off. Alright, so I'm back from trying on things. Overall, everything fit except for the red pants. They fit, they just weren't the fit I wanted. But overall, I think I'm gonna keep one thing out of the stuff. And actually, for the first time the stylist has styled me, the fact that one thing worked and was what I wanted or what I liked is amazing because I'm so picky. So the thing I'm thinking about keeping is the hot pink dress, and I will show you all the pictures up here. I apologize for the lighting. I didn't have my other camera, my vlog camera, with me to take pictures, so they're from my phone. But yeah, so I'm pretty pleased with this. You know, now it's time for me to give some feedback to my stylist and kind of let them know what I'm looking for. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will put all the information in the description box below that about Fashom, and if you are interested in trying them out. So yeah, I think that's everything I have to tell you. I think we'll double check. Yeah, and that hot pink dress I like is a $63 dress. Of course, it's the most expensive thing in the box. Alright, you guys. Love you so much. Thanks for watching. Thanks for always supporting me. Mwah.